Welcome to the story of a soft and starry beginning. In a cozy burrow nestled beneath a mossy tree stump, a gentle little hedgehog named Hazel rubbed her sleepy eyes. The stars twinkled above the meadow like tiny lanterns, and the breeze whispered secrets through the grass. Tonight felt different, magical even. Hazel heard a hum, soft and sweet, coming from the meadow. Curious and brave, she stepped out into the moonlight. The daisies were singing lullabies, and butterflies with glowing wings danced in spirals above her head. "I wonder what's out there tonight," Hazel whispered, her tiny paws padding toward the enchanted meadow. Hazel wandered through fields of singing daisies, each petal gently swaying to a tune only the night could hear. "Hello there," chirped a daisy. "Can you help us count our petals? We had 5, but now we have more after a gentle rain." Hazel counted carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 5 plus 2 equals 7 petals. The daisies swirled with joy. "You're clever and kind," they sang in harmony. Hazel smiled, her heart glowing with joy. She was learning that even small things like counting could bring happiness. End. Deeper in the meadow, Hazel met a tall, graceful deer with antlers like tree branches. His name was Alder. "I've watched this meadow for many years," Alder said with a warm smile. "Kindness is the magic that keeps the flowers bright and the pond sparkling." Hazel tilted her head. "The pond?" Alder's eyes twinkled. "The dream pond. It reflects the hopes and dreams of all creatures. But something is wrong. It's growing dim." Hazel's nose twitched. "Then I'll help fix it." "Brave hearts often find the way." He handed her a glowing acorn, for light when the path gets dark. As Hazel continued, a joyful robin fluttered down, singing a tune with numbers hidden inside. "If I fly 3 loops and then 2 more, how many loops did I soar?" Hazel giggled. "That's 3 plus 2, so 5 loops." "Correct," the robin chirped. "I'm Ruby, and I'd love to help. The pond gives me dreams of summer skies. We must save it." Together, they skipped along, the glowing acorn lighting their path. Hazel was learning that teamwork made her stronger. From a high branch, a mischievous squirrel named Nibble dropped a pine cone beside Hazel. "Oops, that was meant to be a clue," he grinned. "Want to play a game?" Nibble led them to a tree with 10 shiny nuts. "If 4 fall to the ground, how many are left?" Hazel thought hard. 10 minus 4 is 6. "Exactly," Nibble chattered. "You're quick. I'll join your quest. I know the way to the dream pond." Now with Ruby and Nibble, Hazel's team of friends was complete. At last, they reached a pond that should have sparkled like the stars. But it was dull and grey, its surface no longer dancing with dreams. Ruby peered in. "I used to see clouds shaped like cupcakes." Nibble sighed, "And I dreamed of nut castles." Hazel touched the water gently. "Something's missing." Alder's voice echoed in her mind. "Kindness keeps the magic alive." They needed to find what kindness had been forgotten and restore it. They sat by the pond, thinking. Hazel remembered something her mother once said. "When you feel stuck, break it into smaller steps." She turned to her friends. "Let's each share one kind thing we've done. Maybe that's the key." Ruby sang to lonely flowers. Nibble shared his last nut with a lost mouse. Hazel helped a snail find its way home. As each story was told, a shimmer returned to the pond, one tiny sparkle at a time. Suddenly, glowing lily pads rose in the water, each with a number. There were 4 on one side and 4 on the other. "What does it mean?" asked Ruby. Hazel smiled. "It's equal. 4 equals 4. Balance is important." The lily pads formed a bridge. "Let's cross together," Hazel said. "Teamwork got us here." Step by step they walked across, and each step brought more light to the pond. Slash. At the center of the pond stood a floating lantern, dim and flickering. Hazel reached out and whispered, "We believe in dreams. We believe in each other." The lantern pulsed with golden light, Suddenly, the pond burst into color. Swirls of lavender, teal, and starlight danced across the surface. It reflected not just dreams, but the love and courage of those who'd protected it. Ruby soared, Nibble cartwheeled, Hazel beamed. The friends returned to the meadow edge, where singing daisies welcomed them with a lullaby of thanks. Alder was waiting by Hazel's burrow. The meadow is grateful. You've reminded us all that kindness, problem-solving, and patience make even the smallest creature magical. Hazel curled into a soft nest, her heart full of wonder. As she drifted off to sleep, the stars above twinkled brighter than ever, and the dream pond shimmered with every creature's hope, especially one brave little hedgehog's. The end. Stars.